Sayyiduna Imam Ghazali alayhi rahmatullahi al-wali about useless discussion and useless activities has written in Ihya'ul Ulum in details lesson of useless talk. Well, somebody went to have fun. There was scenery. There were some mountains. There was waterfall cascade. These things, I think they are known as scenery. To talk about them. Similarly, to talk about meetings with pious men and all such things. Well, let's suppose there is no exaggeration, not any false one. If this is correct from Sharia viewpoint, or if whatever he says is accurate and he speaks truth, it is useless rubbish. If he makes a false exaggeration, it falls into lie. He'll get sin. Otherwise, he won't get sin. It includes meeting with pious men. Imam Ghazali stated it. Why does one want to say? If he wants to mention his meeting with a pious man because that man is spiritual, he wishes the person who he is telling. The Imam didn't write so. I am speaking from my own mind, or maybe Ala Hazrat wrote, well, the man is spiritual and the speaker wants to introduce him so that people may gain the benefit. Intention is good and he'll get reward. One should make a good intention in apt situation. It matters. So now there is no harm. The public talk about sceneries and such things. Not only these things but also the talk of no use we often make.
I visited a personality's home. He did the same. He spoke almost the same thing. So-and-so scholar, some players had come to my house. Your beloved son also came here. He took meal here. It also happened that we had been told your name. We keep positive assumption though. What intention can they make while telling others about visit of a player or a scholar?
Dear Shaykh, what is this? Why is this so? If you or a famous person pays a visit to somebody's house and then he tells it to some friends, Amir Ahl Sunnat visited his house. He or his son visited his house. Honorable Mufti and scholars have been to his house. So, why shouldn't he speak so? He does not tell wrong. They have been there. What's harm in telling this?
I have contact with them.
Fine, if it is so, what's the point of being amazed? Is this impossible?
This is for praise.
Actually, the thing is that
if my memory serves me right, Sayyid Sahab, you maybe didn't join Dawat Islami. When I used to visit, people told me the names of those who had visited their home. Afterwards, I thought, now one more name joins the list. They would apprise guests of my visit.
You see, let me add one point here. Lots of people frequently visit houses and offices of the people you're talking about. The reason is, and it sometimes happens, the people show good hospitality. It is possible that you do not agree with this point. You may disagree. One more observation I would like to discuss with you. Such people are seen paying great honor to religious people and religious scholars. They entertain them with hospitality. They serve a lot. They respect and care for them. They demonstrate such humbleness. You would have seen this thing as well in such people. Well, the people tell this to others as they do. Or else, why will one say if he doesn't do it?
My dear, the thing is, if he has a good intention, he will gain reward. If he has bad intention, he will suffer. If he has no intention, it is mubah.
Okay, some intentions result in sin. I am giving a case for example. May Allah save us from all sins.
Ameen.
I want to know that intention after making I can tell people that a pious man visited my house if he really came. Could you tell me the intention? So now, if I make the intention, which obviously I will not disclose to anybody and do something like that either, in that way, this will be violation of Sharia.
If somebody speaks that some religious scholars have paid a visit to his house,
yes,
if he has an intention to express the gratitude of Allah or to publicize his blessing, say it's a blessing, it's because of holy man. That pious man honored me with his personal visit. This is a good intention.
And
of course,
reward.
Yes, he will get.
That's good.
Fine. Well, let's suppose he tells people Say, reputable scholars visited him in order to give them an impression that he pays great respect to the scholars, so that he earns good repute. That man really respects the scholars. This is ostentation.
It'll fall into types.
It stands to reason. You know.
You have written in your writings that ostentation relates to worship. So is it doing this, the ostentation, taking it to be a worship? What do you say?
To see a scholar, is categorically regarded as the act of worship in Hadith Sharif. If somebody invites a scholar to his home, serves him, and looks at him, why won't it be so? Why on earth does he share it with other people? It depends on his intention. It's entirely up to the intention. He won't get reward or sin without intention.
Do you think
Exactly.
it is possible that a person has no intention?
Yes.
Really?
We perform many activities without intention. Somebody tells, player or artist or singer has visited his home to see him. Say, there could be a possibility of a good intention that, let's assume a person, a muballigh, he says to people that so and so player came to his house and he preached that player, or a Madani halqa was held. Some players attended it. His intention that, by the way, people of Dawat Islami do the same. Dawat Islami thus may get good fame. Players come here. It also spreads message of the deen among players as well as artists.
شکر مالا دیا مدنی ماحول نہ چھوٹے کبھی بھی خدا مدنی ماحول نہ چھوٹے کبھی بھی خدا مدنی ماحول تیرا شکر مالا دیا مدنی ماحول تیرا شکر مالا دیا مدنی ماحول یقین مقدر کا وہ ہے سکندر یقین مقدر کا وہ ہے سکندر جسے خیر سے مل گیا مدنی ماحول جسے خیر سے مل گیا مدنی ماحول تو آب نمازی ہے دیتا نمازی تو آب نمازی ہے دیتا نمازی تو آب نمازی ہے دیتا نمازی خدا کے کرم سے بنا مدنی ماحول خدا کے کرم سے بنا مدنی ماحول.
Please have the meal. It's by the virtue of Medina. Let me do. I'm host. These are guests. May we visit Medina.
قیامت تلک یا الہی سلامت قیامت تلک یا الہی سلامت رہے تیرے عطار کا مدنی ماحول.
Honorable Sheikh has honored us with the food, serving with his own hands.
I feel it's a dream. Believe me, I can't believe that. I met him, he by his own hand gave me a morsel. And I wish this dream of mine could continue all the time. Whoever wants blessings must visit Faizan-e-Medina.
I feel as if this is Eid today, there is an air of happiness.
I don't feel now inferiority complex. I take great pride in telling I have taken meal with Hazrat Ilyas Qadri. He by his own hand made me eat. May Allah bless Hazrat Sahab with a long life.
My dream has come true. I could not understand what was then happening. I saw him sitting and walking before me. He embraced me as well. I cried suddenly, can't explain. I didn't meet him before. Then I embraced him. That feeling was startling. I couldn't help bursting into tears.
The Madani environment of Dawat Islami has impressed the persons from this class as well, and they joined. Jahangir from Mumbai is one of them.
سلطان الہند حضرت خواجہ معین الدین چشتی اجمیری رحمت اللہ تعالی علیہ کی سرزمین سے تعلق رکھنے والا ایک نو مسلم جو کبھی دین حق کی روشنیوں سے دور گناہوں بری زندگی میں مگن تھا، جو آگ کی پوجا کیا کرتا تھا، وہ جسے دھن سوار تھی ناچنے گانے کی اور بے حیائی کی دنیا میں نام کمانے کی، لیکن قدرت کو یہ منظور نہ تھا۔ اللہ عز و جل نے اپنے ایک برگزیدہ بندے کی زیارت، شیریں آواز، کردار و عمل کے صدقے اس نوجوان کو شورش زدہ زندگی سے نجات عطا کی، اس کا دل مضطرب کر دیا، اس کی حیات میں مدنی انقلاب برپا کر دیا۔ ایمان کی روشنیوں سے فقط اسے ہی نہیں بلکہ اس کے اہل خانہ کو بھی سرفراز فرماتے ہوئے اپنے پیارے محبوب مکی مدنی آقا صلی اللہ تعالی علیہ وآلہ وسلم کے امتیوں کی صف میں جگہ عطا کر دی۔
You would have seen him on Madani channel. Junaid Sheikh, you would have seen him on Madani channel too.
اسی ماحول نے ادنا کو اعلیٰ کر دیا دیکھو، اسی ماحول نے ادنا کو اعلیٰ کر دیا دیکھو۔
They also have joined the environment of Dawat Islami. So, you join us too. Allah Azza wa Jal gives us the living. Join Madani environment of Dawat Islami. Dedicate yourself to propagate blessed Sunnah. I request you to avoid bad deeds. Save yourself from these. May Allah give us ability to watch Madani channel and invite others to watch it too. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyyil Ameen sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Wait. Express your resolve. War against backbiting.
Will continue.
War against lying.
Will continue.
War against Satan.
Will continue.
Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.